Hello viewers, this is a straightforward, simple invoicing system integrated with Zatca Phase 2. SQL Server is utilized as the backend database. The steps below will be covered in this video. Database configuration and creating a masters, creating a tax invoice, debit note and credit note as well as the prepayment, and creating a normal PDF file and creating a PDF A3 format and XML file as well as validate the XML and PDF A3. Let us go for demo. Open the application folder. Open the application. The step 1, we need to configure the server. Click on the configuration button. Enter the server details. This is my new instance SQL Server. I don't have any databases here. Take the server name. Click on create. Configuration done successfully. Go to the SQL Server. Refresh the databases. You will find the database here. Minimize this. After successfully configuration database, enter the user details. By default, I have inserted a admin user, and make sure here you are choosing the invoice details. Click sign in. This is application dashboard. Here is the general masters, which is approved by Zatca Portal. Here is the products master. I will add one more product. Close the window. Add the customers. Save. Close the window. Add the company master. Save. If you want to see the company's list again, you can click on the browse. Go to the tax invoice. Choose the issue date and supply date. Double click on the company ID. You will get it the company details. Double click on the customer ID. You will get it the company's customers list. Enter the contact person name. Add the products. Double click on the product name. Choose the product. Quantity. If you have it, add a new row. If you have a discount, you can enter the discount price also. Let's say here quantity 1 or 10 real. When you choose the discount, you need to choose the discount type, and notes also is mandatory. Click on save. If you want to see your invoice, click on the browse, and once you confirm your all the data is correct, that means your invoice is ready for boarding. Choose the submission type. You have simulation and production. For the production, real time you can use it, but for the video purpose I am using the developer mode. Choose the developer mode and click on send to Zatca button. Once you click on submit to Zatca button, the first time system will ask you to take some default values. and click yes. Your invoice is cleared. You will see here the clear status with some warnings. This warnings is customer information is not entered properly. Click on print now. This is your PDF. Save as a PDF, and I will save it in my desktop invoice PDF folder. Test PDF, and the system it is created one XML file. Here is my folder. Open the folder. This is normal PDF. Here is the PDF A3 format PDF and XML file. I will validate these two files. This is Sandbox Zatca. I will validate the XML from Zatca Portal. My internet is a bit slow. Upload the XML file. Invoice PDF. This is just now I created. Open. Validate. The status is valid with some warnings. These warnings we need to clear from the customer master. In the same time, I want to validate the PDF A3 also. This is one of the PDF A3 online website. Upload a file or drag and drop. I will drag and drop the folder file. The validation is successful. You can open this PDF with the Acrobat Reader. You will see the attachment there. Currently I don't have any Acrobat Reader in my machine. Let us go back to remaining steps. Creadit Note. Click on the Creadit Note. Call the invoice from the call button. We have only one invoice, so directly it is retrieving the data. If you have a multiple invoices now, the system will pop up the invoice list and you can choose from the list and you can proceed. Here do your changes accordingly and save. Once I click save, the system will throw the error because notes is mandatory. For Creadit Note or Debit Note or Prepayment, the notes is mandatory and the supply date also mandatory. Enter the supply date and notes. And payment method also is mandatory. I will remove this one item. Save. If you want to get it back, click on the browse button and choose the submit type. Submit to Zatca. For the real time or for the production environment, you need to save all the values in your database. Click yes. Invoice is cleared. In the same way, I will go to the Debit Note, choose the supply date, call the invoice, enter the notes, save. Now we are in the debit note. This debit note I am going to submit to portal. Also it is cleared. If you want to validate, you can validate the QR code. The QR code also it is storing here. That's all. Go back to the dashboard. Here there is the tax calculator. If your invoice having only the sales price and you want to add the 15% VAT, calculate. Your gross amount is 115 and VAT amount is 15 real. If your invoice included the VAT amount, so enter the VAT amount, total gross amount and VAT percentage, calculate. It will come the sales price and the VAT amount. The formulas also included here. If you want to see the summary, click on the summary, choose the invoice dates from and to and invoice types. Simplified are the standard invoices and pending or cleared invoices. This time we have all cleared the invoices, we don't have any pending. Click on refresh. Pending I don't have. I will choose that all and click refresh. If you see the check mark here, it means it is cleared. If you cannot see here any check mark, that means that invoice is not yet submitted. That's all. Thank you.